In this video, we will guide you through how to make a multi-place game in Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, before we start, make sure you follow every single step carefully because even a small mistake like a wrong name or incorrect case sensitivity will break the system completely. First, open Roblox Studio and go to the project where you want to add the multi-place game. So in my case, I'm going to choose a base plate template so I can start from a new project. So I'll just wait for the game to load. Now, when you create a new experience, Roblox automatically generates your start place, which is your main game entry point. Now, go to the top and hover over your home and you will see an option for Asset Manager. So just go ahead and click on that. And once that you have done that, you will see it will say save to start using asset. So basically just click on save to Roblox and give your experience a name. So I'm gonna name it something like GuideRealm experience. So once that you have done that, you can just go ahead and add description and add creators also. And you can also choose the devices and then just go ahead and click on save. And then just wait for the save to complete. And now your game will open automatically. So just wait for it to load. And now once again go to home and go to your asset and click on the asset manager and your asset manager will open. So basically just double click to go inside the places, and then once that you have done that, you can rename your level. So let's say this particular level is going to be level 1. So I'm going to right click on it and choose to rename and name it something like Guide Realm Experience 1 and hit enter. And now it will be renamed successfully. Now, this is where all your different level inside the same game are managed. So basically, just right click inside the place and then click on add new place. This will create your second level. So rename it to something like Guide Realm Experience 2 and hit enter. And now your second experience will also be successfully added. Double click on this new place to open it. This opens a completely different separate map inside the same experience. So just wait for it to load. Now, once that you are inside level 2, build a simple map or add a basic part just to confirm everything is working later. So I'll just go to home and add a part. So I'll just change the part to something so I can remember that this is level 2. So I'm just gonna scale it and I'm going to create a little box like structure and then color the part. So I'll just color it to something like red, and then after that just go to the file at the top left and click on publish to Roblox. This step is very important because without publishing, Roblox will not assign a proper place ID and the teleporting will not work. Now just hover over your Roblox Studio and go to your experience 1. And now we are going to create the teleport system. So basically, you can just go to home and add a part. So I'm just gonna resize the part. So I'll go to home and go to scale and then scale it. And I'll just move it just above the ground, just like so. And go to the properties. And if the properties is not enabled, just go to your home and click on properties. And in the properties, look for the option labeled as anchor. And make sure to toggle on anchor so it does not move. And once that you have done that, now click on the plus icon for part and add a script. And now delete the pre-existing script by selecting and backspace and paste the exact script from the description of the video. And now this is very important. You must replace the destination place ID with your real place ID of your level 2. To get it, just go to your asset manager and right click on your experience 2 and click on copy ID to clipboard. And then just delete these numbers by just highlighting and backspace and then press Ctrl V to paste your ID exactly. And then now let's test it. So I'll just click on play. So now when I go to my endpoint, which is going to be this particular block, so when I go over it, you will see I'm not being teleported to another level. It is because the teleport system will not properly work inside the Roblox Studio test mode because Studio cannot fully stimulate multi-place teleporting. This is a limitation from Roblox itself. So even if nothing happens during testing inside Studio, that does not mean your script is broken. To properly test it, you must save your game, publish it to Roblox, and then run it from the Roblox website or live server. And then only then you will teleport between places work correctly. And once you have published your game, walk your character to the teleport part just like so, and when you touch it, it will instantly send you from level 1 to level 2, and that will confirm your multiplayer system is working perfectly. If you want to expand your game, you can repeat the same process, create more places like level 3, level 4, publish each one and copy place ID and then connect them using additional teleport parts.